Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about launching your own UX portfolio but feel a bit overwhelmed by the process, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through how to create a stunning UX portfolio website using Wix.com, inspired by Sarah Doody's approach. Whether you're brand new to web design or just looking for a quick, effective way to showcase your work, you'll finish this tutorial with a fully functional website, ready to impress. All right, let's dive right in. The easiest and most efficient way to create a complete UX portfolio website on Wix is by leveraging their pre-made templates. Templates are a fantastic starting point because they're professionally designed and give you a solid framework to work with. Think of it as choosing the bones of your house. You still get to paint the walls any color you like, but the structure is already stable and proven to work. This is super helpful, especially if you're not a designer or developer yourself. So, starting from your Wix site dashboard, look for the option that says Create New Site. Don't worry if you're not super familiar with Wix's layout. Everything here is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. Once you click Create New Site, you'll be prompted to choose the type of website you want. For this project, select the Studio Template category. The Studio templates are tailored for portfolios and creative professionals, so they'll give your work the best possible showcase. Now, browse through the template options until you find one that stands out to you. There's usually a template specifically called UX Portfolio, but if you see another portfolio template that sparks your interest, feel free to explore it. Pick whichever design feels closest to your own style or vision. Just remember, what matters most is that the template gives a clear, easy-to-navigate experience for anyone looking at your work. As soon as you select your template, Wix will launch you into the website editor. This part is actually quite fun. You'll now start putting your personal stamp on things. Begin by editing the headings. Swap out the sample names and titles for your own. Next, update the images and add photos that represent your projects, whether they're screenshots, product mock-ups, or just a friendly photo of yourself. For the text, tell your story in your voice. Detail your process, skills, and what makes your UX perspective unique. If it feels a little intimidating, take your time. The goal here is to make the website authentically yours. You can also tweak the overall designs, play with colors, fonts, backgrounds to give the site your unique look and feel. Wix's drag-and-drop features make this super simple. If you want to make the layout cleaner or highlight a particular project, just move things around until you're satisfied. Don't worry if things aren't perfect on the first try. You can always preview your changes and come back to edit as you find your style. Once you're happy with how everything looks and feels, it's time for the big moment. Hit that Publish button. Wix will take care of making your website live. This might take a few moments, so just let it load. After publishing, use the Go to Live Site button to see your portfolio as your future clients and employers will see it. Take a moment to check that all your changes look great in the real world. It's pretty satisfying seeing your work go live. And that's it. You now have a professional UX portfolio website, ready to share with the world. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit like, drop your questions, or portfolio links in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Good luck with your UX journey, and thanks for watching.